Hey physios, hi. I have here PPT showing some of the important question papers. As the exams are approaching near, as I have many messages have been received. Some let me know the some of the important questions, ma'am, sis. Okay, today I have some of the important question papers. Firstly, we go from the anatomy, general anatomy. What are the questions they might be asked? It means some of the important questions have been collected in short answers like intervertebral disc, like we have some thoracic to the sacral. What are the contents, what are the characteristic features, you describe the briefly and add a diagrammatic too. Next, sesamoid bone, fibrous joints, curvatures of the cerebral the cervical column, normal and abnormal, microscopic structures of the bone, synovial joint, features of the synovial joint. Next, classification of the muscle tissue and mention their differences. There are skeletal, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles. Then blood supply of long bones is the most important. I have neglected this question, but lastly I have read it, and the answer, the question also been asked as asked. Next, we have very short answers like draw and label microscopic structures of hyaline cartilage, types of synovial joints with some examples, and neuromuscular junction. Classify the joints giving examples, types of ossifications, and epiphysis. You mostly concentrate on the muscles and joints in the general anatomy. While coming into the anatomy, volume wise, upper limb, shoulder joint. In shoulder joint, they can be asked as A, B, C, D, E. Type and articular surface, ligaments, stability, movements and muscles, applied aspect. Next, brachial plexus, the most important, formation, relations, branches, applied anatomy. Next, mammary gland, it can be asked, it has a gross anatomy. Your lymphatic drainage of the mammary gland is most important, and applied aspects, ulnar nerve in hand, course and relations, your branches, distribution, applied anatomy. Radial nerve, origin, course, relation, branches, applied anatomy, and wrist drop. Describe your axillary artery in a formation of course, relations, branches, applied aspects. Short answer questions, mainly the deltoid is a gunshot. It can be asked deltoid, origin, insertion, nerve supply, actions, and applied anatomy. And we have some of the short question answers like clavipectoral fascia, your contents of carpal tunnel syndrome, flexor retinaculum of hand, wrist drop, flexor digitorum profundus, supinator muscle, musculocutaneous nerve, mid-palmar space and spaces in hand, cubital fascia, elbow joint, anastomosis of elbow joint, brachialis muscle, lymphatic drainage of breast, axillary nerve, superficial palmar arch, your brachial artery, biceps, axilla. To these, you need to add the diagrammatic also. Diagrammatic plays most important in exam. Very short answers like rotator cuff muscles, carpal bones, dorsal digital expansion, pectoralis major, extensor retinaculum, sternal angle, carpometacarpal joint, brachial plexus diagrammatic, clavicle, biceps branches, coracoid process of scapula, pronation, supination, radioulnar joint, anatomical snuff box, actions of the palmar and dorsal interosseous muscles of hand, palmar aponeurosis, lumbricals, bursa in the hand, quadrangular space, medial cubital vein, cephalic vein, and pronata teres. Next, lower limb, we go with the hip joint. It has as type articular surfaces, ligaments, movements, muscles acting, blood supply, and also the intra-articular surface of hip joint. Your knee joint or intra-articular surfaces and bursts of the knee joint, cruciate ligaments of knee joint. It can be asked as the 10 marker also or 5 marker also. Type and subtype, ligaments, movements and the muscles causing movements, locking and unlocking joint. Arches of the foot is the most important. In this we have longitudinal and transverse arches, boundaries and contents of popliteal fossa, sciatic nerve, root value, course and relations, branches of distribution, applied anatomy, femoral triangle, femoral artery, extent and relations, branches, ankle joint, type with bone taking part, ligaments and relations, movements and muscles responsible for the movements, applied anatomy. When coming to short answer questions, we have adductor magnus, hamstrings muscles with origin, insertion, nerve supply and action, quadriceps femoris, adductor canal, great saphenous vein, femoral sheath, greater trochanter of femur, femoral canal, peroneus longus, gluteus maximus, iliofemoral ligament, ischial tuberosity, venous perforatus of leg, blood supply of neck and femur, inversion and eversion of foot, popliteal muscle, deep peroneal nerve, plantar arch, profunda femoris artery, aevatus of foot, femoral nerve. When coming into the very short answers questions, sciatica, soleus muscle, fruit drop, patella, cutaneous nerve supply of dorsum of foot, name the muscles attached to greater tubercle, root value of sciatic nerve, tendocalcaneus or Achilles tendon, flat foot, greater and lesser sciatic foramen, sesamoid bones, talus, calcaneum. So these are the important questions which can cover in applied anatomy and upper limb, lower limb. You need to add some of the diagrammatic also and mostly concentrate on every muscle with origin, insertion, nerve supply and action. It's a basic thing we need to learn in first year. Thanks for watching SPN. Further more videos will be updating on the next videos. Thanks for watching.